Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am reviewing another gorgeous piece from Rose Morning. I will leave Rose Morning's website in the description under this video. Go ahead and check it out. If you would decide to purchase anything from them, you can always use my code, which is Anna, for 10% off at checkout. You guys, today's wall is April. April wall is a very classic, very timeless wall that you can purchase and actually reuse over and over again, in a sense that it's very classic, it's very timeless. I will leave exactly the same wall link in the description under this video. Check it out. I hope you will enjoy this video because I was setting up for my birthday party that I celebrated with a whole bunch of girls, and let me know what you guys think about the wall and overall setup. All right, without any further ado, let's go. So far, love the design of this wall. Cannot wait to see how it's gonna look all assembled and hanging on our frame. Another thing that I will tell you, and I'm very surprised, is how light this wall is, because usually flower walls are pretty heavy. This one is super light. When you will be opening a box, you will see a box with a section of a flower wall right here. Then you will find instructions on what to do with the wall, how to assemble it, and all that, which is very helpful. And you will find extra baggie with the greenery and some flower buds, which is helpful as well. Another thing that I really like, that every single panel has zippers on each side. So zipper, 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 again, zippers and zippers. So no matter which way you're gonna lay your panels down, you will have zippers to zip your wall. And it's very easy to see where is the bottom of the wall and where is the top. You see these pockets right here? These pockets, you will take the pipe and string your panels on that pipe right through here, and this is how your wall will hang. So now let's zip all the zippers up and let's string the pipe and hang this beauty. On my frame now, I am grabbing these ties over here and I am tying my wall to my pipe to secure it and making sure that the wall is completely straight and looking very nice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ties. Let's do this. I'm done assembling this wall. It is so beautiful. This wall came straight from the box, and as you can tell by the flowers are looking so good, just because, that's what I'm guessing, just because the wall is very light itself, it's not squishing flowers in boxes, and you don't need to do basically nothing to this wall to fluff it up or work with flowers, because some of the walls that come, they do have a lot of squished, worse looking flowers than these. These are a little bit, this one is a little bit flat, but it's not bad. You just do this and it looks much better. So a lot of flowers in different walls look worse than this, and it takes a lot of time to fluff it up to make the wall look very presentable. This one, literally, you don't need to do nothing. I would just go around and fluff the greenery up so it looks a little bit more alive, but that's about it, you guys. This wall is absolutely stunning. So this part is done. I am absolutely in love with this wall, you guys. I'm obsessed with this design, all the greenery, all the flowers, very good quality. Everything holds, nothing fell off, good quality white flowers. I mean, look at this, it's perfect. This wall will be as a part of my birthday party with the girls, so I will leave this wall here. I will add a happy birthday sign here. I will add some of the twinkle lights behind the wall. Stay tuned, I will be filming the rest of the decor as I go and as I decorate. See, on the wall I added yellow flowers. Why? Because on my table setting, what I'm planning is to have white, yellow, and greenery flowers. I am hoping that the place that I will be buying flowers from will have exact colors that I'm looking for. If not, I will simply remove yellow. I got these yellow flowers on Amazon. I will link it in the description under this video if you guys are interested. These are absolutely gorgeous. I simply inserted them between flowers and it just gives a little pop of yellow that will fit better into the theme that I'm trying to have. For every guest, I decided to purchase these beautiful glasses, goblets. I got them on Amazon. They are light blue with leaves printed on them. They will fit into the theme very well. Let's pop them into my dishwasher just to freshen them up, and I am so excited to set up the table. Finally starting to decorate the table. So I got these plate chargers on Amazon. I really like the clear charger with silver beading all around it. I will link them in the description under this video.